Hi, my name is John Hummel. I'm the Facilities and Maintenance Manager at Leatherman Tool Group, and today I'll be walking you through the tools and features of the Surge multi-purpose tool. The Surge is a robust multi-tool. It's great for professional jobs or any job needing a heavy-duty tool. It's designed after Wave, but in a larger form factor. It has 21 tools. It's weighing in at 12.5 ounces, and it comes in two finishes, the stainless steel or the non-reflective black oxide, and it's 4.5 inches when closed. When you unfold the Surge, the main tools are the needle nose and regular pliers, plus two types of wire cutters made from premium steel, stranded wire cutter, and an electrical crimper at the base of the pliers. The handles are also rounded to give you a comfortable and confident grip. You can also use the ruler markings on the handles to make any quick measurements on the fly. Inside each handle, you'll find a few different tools, including an large and small screwdriver. You can also find a large bit driver with double-ended bit, can opener, bottle opener, and wire stripper. Each of these tools can be locked firmly into place while in use. To unlock, simply press the thumb lever and rotate the tool back into the handle. When you fold up the Surge, you'll have access to two types of knife blades. A straight edge for slicing and fine knife work, and a serrated edge for textured and rough materials. Each blade can be opened and closed with one hand and feature an easy-to-use liner lock for locking and unlocking. You also have access to a heavy-duty pair of scissors and one of Surge's unique tools, the blade exchanger. The blade exchanger is a t-shank adapter that allows you to customize your tool for the job at hand. To use the blade exchanger, rotate the tool out of the handle, then press and slide the metal sleeve to reveal the t-shank blade. Remove and replace the blade, then slide the metal sleeve back into position. The Surge comes with two t-shank blades, one wood metal file and diamond coated file, and the other a handy saw. One last feature that some folks may not know about is a lanyard ring and the handle. To access the lanyard, open the saw blade, place a flat object like a key in this end, then push up and reveal the lanyard. Surge comes with a durable nylon sheath, and all of our tools are backed by a 25-year warranty. For more information about Surge or any of our multi-purpose tools, visit leatherman.com.